Understanding evaporator coils, an essential component in cooling systems. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating topic: evaporator coils. These are crucial components in many cooling systems, like air conditioners and refrigerators. Let's dive into what they are and why they're so important. Evaporator coils are a key part of cooling systems. They are usually made of copper, aluminum, or steel tubes and are filled with a refrigerant. The main job of these coils is to absorb heat from the air inside a room or a refrigerator. This process is essential for cooling and dehumidifying the environment. The working of evaporator coils is quite interesting. When warm air passes over these cold coils, the refrigerant inside absorbs the heat, turning from a liquid into a gas. This transformation cools down the air around the coils, effectively lowering the temperature of the surrounding environment. In air conditioners, the evaporator coils play a crucial role. They are located in the indoor unit and are responsible for extracting heat from the indoor air. This is what makes our homes or offices feel cooler and more comfortable during hot weather. Maintaining evaporator coils is important for the efficiency of your cooling system. Dust and dirt can accumulate on the coils, reducing their efficiency. Regular cleaning and checkups are necessary to ensure they work effectively and to prevent potential problems. I hope this video has helped you understand what evaporator coils are and how vital they are in cooling systems. Remember, these components play a huge role in keeping our environments comfortable. Stay tuned for more interesting topics, and thanks for watching.